My name is Aida McAllister, author of Aida's Kitchen a lo Boricua, a bilingual Puerto Rican cookbook. I receive many requests from individuals that are interested in seeing my garden. Well, here we are in my backyard at Aida's garden. Now, the plants that you see against the fence here are the tomatoes. Estos son los tomates. The next row in front of the tomatoes are the green peppers. Estos son los pimientos verdes. Then we have here 3 rows of our sweet peppers, los ajies dulces. Now, I plant a lot of our sweet peppers because not only do I make a lot of sofrito, but I share my produce with all my friends and family. Now, the plants here against this side of the fence are the onions. Estos son las cebollas. And in front of the onions, I planted several rows of cilantro. Now, if you see this trellis at the bottom, I planted several cucumbers because my husband, he cans bread and butter pickles. The next thing that I'm going to do is give you a close-up shot of each plant. Here's one of my tomato plants, my green pepper plant, and look how beautiful the ají dulces plant, the sweet pepper plant. Here you have my onions. Estas son las cebollas. El cilantro. And these are the cucumbers, los pepinillos. These 2 plants are the Caribbean West Indian pumpkin, la calabaza. I can't plant them in my garden because the vine within 1 month or 2 will grow approximately 10 to 15 feet, and you will start seeing individuals pumpkin growing on the vine. This is the West Indian plant, la calabaza de Puerto Rico. Next to my shed, I have a small garden. So I wanted to plant some more onions and garlic. So this little space next to the shed, on the left-hand side, you will find the garlic. A la mano izquierda se encuentra los ajos. And on the right-hand side, you'll see more onions. A la mano derecha se encuentra más cebollas. Let's check out my back deck. In one corner of the deck, you will see flower boxes with culantro, also known as recao, growing in a shady area. Here's a close-up view of the culantro, also known as recao, one of the main ingredients in making sofrito. You can also add this herb to stews and soups. Let's move slowly to the other side of the deck. And here you will find some tomatoes growing in front, and in the back, cilantro in individual pots. Let's again move slowly to the other side of the deck. And here you have some ajíes dulces, sweet peppers, plants in individual pots. So if you don't have a large backyard for your garden, you can plant the ajíes dulces in pots and place them on your back deck. I hope you have enjoyed watching my YouTube video showcasing Aida's garden. Now, if you are interested in learning how to grow culantro, ajies, dulces, our sweet pepper, calabazas, our Caribbean pumpkin, watch my YouTube video and visit my website, aidaskitchenboricua.com.